Hello students, in last video we learned about memory and their types, and we learned about RAM and their types, dynamic RAM and static RAM. So today we learn our prime memory second type is ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. As the name suggests, ROM can only read by the processor. New data cannot be written in ROM. So as our name suggests, read only memory. So data which are already written in memory we can read, but not the write new data. Data stored into ROM is written during the manufacturer phase itself. So when computer manufacturing companies write the data in ROM, that time only data can be written. They contain data that does not need to be altered, like booting sequence of a computer or algorithm tables for mathematical applications and also. So generally in ROM, computer manufacturer companies write the data for the single time which cannot be altered. So there are following example like booting sequence of a computer or algorithm tables for mathematical application. So RAM is slower and cheaper than RAM. So it retains data even the power is switched off. So unlike the RAM, whenever we switch off the computer, the memory is vanished in the RAM. But ROM data is retained. So it is also called as non-volatile memory. So it is non-volatile. ROM cannot be altered by the way RAM can be, but technologies are available to program these types of ROMs. So in today's environment, ROM can also be altered. So there are lots of technologies available. So first is, which is also known as ROM types. There are following ROM types: PROM, EEPROM, double EEPROM, flash double EEPROM and mask PROM. So there are the latest technology where ROM data can be altered. So first is our ROM. So PROM full form is programmable read only memory. So programmable read only memory can be programmed using a specialized hardware device called PROM programmer or PROM burner. So this memory is also called as OTP, one time programmable. So it is default PROM. Once the data has been returned, then it cannot be altered in a PROM. So it uses special hardware device which is called PROM programmer or PROM burner. Second is EEPROM. EEPROM's full name is erasable programmable read only memory. In EEPROM can be erased and then programmed using special ultraviolet rays. So in this technology we use ultraviolet rays, special rays, to erase the data of ROM and erase it many times as needed. It can up to 20 minutes for erasing contents. So generally it takes 20 minutes to erase content. In EEPROM, data is erased by special rays which is known as ultraviolet or UV rays. Generally EEPROM deletes all content data. So our third is double EEPROM. It is electrically PROM. In EEPROM, data can be erased electrically, which is faster. Also EEPROM deletes selective bytes can be erased, unlike the EEPROM which erases fully. So in EEPROM data erases fully, but by the help of double EEPROM we can selective data can be erased. And EEPROM is slower and double EEPROM is very faster. EEPROM use ultraviolet rays and double EEPROM is used electrically. Data deleted. Our fourth type is flash double EEPROM. So it is like double EEPROM but is very fast comparatively. Fast is because the eraser of the entire content takes less than a second. So it is very fast, and also it erases fully, not selectively. So like normal double EEPROM which erase selective data, but it will erase full data. Our fifth and final type is Mask ROM. What is mask ROM? It refers to a kind of ROM in which the content are programmed by the IC. IC stands for Integrated Circuit Manufacturer, and it is not a user programmable ROM. So generally this mask ROM is created by the computer manufacturer, not for the user. So today we learned what is ROM and what are the ROM types. We have 5 ROM types: PROM, EPROM, EEPROM, Flash EEPROM and mask ROM, and we learned detail all these types.